Okay, well, Dodge Caliber won't start. Let me show you what's going on here. Yes, it's me in my winter outfit. You like it? I do. Anyway, let me show you what happens. I've already worked a couple hours on it. That rusted off, and as you can see, that one's gone. And you see a whole nest of, that's corrosion. And that thing sits like this in the wheel well. And in there, two disconnections, I think suggests the probability that it won't work. So I'm going to cut all these off only after I get another one of these from the wreckers, and then I'll just splice them all together, and I can treat all this in here so that it won't rust, and all should be good. And then I can reconnect everything. And here are the relays, and all these relays are the same, so you don't have to worry about getting them mixed up. At first I didn't know that it didn't matter, and by the looks of what's on the side, they all are the same. So anyway, if you want to number them, go ahead. If you don't, you only got 4 combinations to choose from. So from the hangout, all the best, good luck, and happy driving. I'm glad I can keep my car. Let's keep yours going too. Alright? Toodles.